Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. Is this part 7? You tell me. At least I've supplied some comedy laughter there. Yeah, I've just been making a whole series of videos. I've checked some of the sound quality as I've been walking to and through the next section. So apologies if I've got that wrong. And apologies for the wind sound as well, as I keep saying. But this is quite interesting. I've got a lot of walking trails, which I think is fantastic, so people can get fit and they can see the beautiful views here in southern or south Taiwan. So I do believe this is a school here, so we're quite lucky that it is 7 o'clock and the children aren't there. But I think there are some just doing some work, so I will keep the camera away from them. Yeah, this would be interesting to climb that, but we won't be doing that. I dare say they probably do some exercises here, you know, yes. But I'm not exactly sure where this path goes, because I haven't been down this section before, but really good. You know, if I was a local here, I would walk this every day. It wouldn't be boring, you know. You got beautiful views. How could that be boring every day? You know, this is what I enjoy: mountains and beaches. You know, as I've said before, I don't mind a city, but it does drain me a lot being in the city. But I reckon we've come to the end of the road. But looks like some typhoon destruction has come upon us, so we'll go and investigate this. Apologies for the wind sound, but really good structures here, and it is good, as I've said, they are very safety conscious here in Taiwan. They do rope stuff off, so you can get through here. Yeah, the wood does seem a bit spongy in some areas, but I won't bounce too much on it. But we'll just have a quick look here. I dare say that this is a track and field, obviously. That looks a bit worse for wear, but the other track looks pretty good. So they do their exercises here. Probably training for the Olympics or Commonwealth Games. Probably the Commonwealth and the Olympics. I'll have to look that up. Here's another section. I'll just see how long I've been waffling off for. Yes, so we'll make it down here and we'll have a look at this part, eh? Why not? Yeah, apologies if I've lost track of what part I'm up to. Yeah, no, I've just been rolling on, but very good, very interesting. Yeah, very interesting structures here. Alright, I'll have to jump over this. Apologies if I've offended anybody by doing this, but I do have to get out. Alright, oh, I don't know if I can hop over this. Oh, alright. Yeah, I did see a couple of the ladies hop the fence. Actually, I've lost the windsock. Actually, here it is here. I haven't lost it on my travels. I've just lost it then. Yeah, I really should edit this out, but I want to try and keep the quality as is. So apologies for the sound that's popping in and out, trying to put a windsock on. Yes. Get with the program, Jeremy. Alright, we're back with the microphone. So really beautiful views. So you could keep walking. I will try and wrap the film up around that beautiful gate on the other side. So this looks like another section that was the original at some point. And it is good that they had part of the original wall enclosed in glass as well. So this would be part of the original part of the wall when the Japanese invaded here, sadly. Yeah, I really like that walkway there. It's like a modern part of it. So we're on top of this structure. Apologies for the wind sound, but it is good. As I keep saying, they have remodeled it and kept like the original look. Yeah, I'll look up some more information on this. I have looked up on Wikipedia and other parts of the internet, but as I said, don't believe everything you read on the internet or see on the internet. I wonder if that's an abandoned building. Who knows? Alright, hit the like, subscribe, hit the thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed, and hopefully there'll just be one more video in this series. I think everyone that has watched the whole series, and hit the likes and subscribe, and we'll see you very shortly.